In this video, you will be shown how to create a daily pattern. A daily pattern is not assigned to an element but is created as part of the dataset. To create a pattern, click on System in the menu bar and choose Daily Pattern from the 3 available pattern options. For a daily pattern, you will have to define hourly values. In the Appearing Time Series pattern window, you can create a new pattern, edit an existing pattern, or delete a selected pattern. Click on the Create a New Pattern button and enter a name for the pattern. Then, fill in the desired values for each of the 24 hours. When assigned to a system element, the pattern is implemented repeatedly for each day of the simulation. A daily pattern is hence only useful if the simulation time step is smaller than 1 day. To ensure a smooth transition in the values from one hour to another, you can turn on the interpolation option. If the interpolation option is off, the value you have assigned for each hour will be implemented as it is defined. Now click Save to save your daily pattern.